Hey guys, just showing you my build, or this is everything that I put in, and it was a real bitch. Took me hours too. The cable management part was just not fucking, well, it wasn't fun. But yeah, oh, that's a Core i7 2700K processor. And HD 7970, best one out right now. This is kind of like my setup. I just can't see. I have the 27-inch monitor. This is it, and it's the Corsair 600E. And that H80 from Corsair was a bitch to put in, by the way. So yeah, just forewarning, it was a bitch. So anybody thinks it's easy, well, good luck. Maybe you have help. Yeah, that graphics card is freaking massive in there. I'm gonna get another one eventually, but for the price, it's gotta come down a little more if I buy a second one. Oh yeah, and here's the good old front. So yeah, that's my build. And I will be taking care of some of these wires and getting them better organized on a better desk. This is just temporary. Alright guys, have a good one.